Hello, welcome to Spy Money. Today we were trading our 20 accounts for Apex and they totaled up $17,320 in one day right here. And if you look up here, if you add all this up, that's what it amounts to. Today we used the Ninja Suite SpyBot Sweet Scalper auto trading bot today. And the bot did all the trading itself. Now, you only see one trade on here. Earlier, I'd had it on, and I actually ended up getting stopped out right there for a reason that shouldn't have been. And so I was up, I think it was around $400 per account, and I was going to take one more trade. I was expecting it to go up to the balance, which it almost hit. But I got stopped out there and it messed me up. So I ended up having a loser there. So it put me in red. I had to go ahead and trade some more. I went ahead and waited through this and then I went ahead and turned the bot back on for here. What I was looking for was up to the balance and I had it on my IB, the today's IB high. I had my profit target right there, but whenever it pushed up and got over the balance, I went ahead and put my stop right there. And by putting it there, I was able to get more money. Now, this one trade was $910, but I was trading two contracts, as you can see right here. There's two contracts on there. And the bot entered for me, put the stop. It actually put a profit target here. But the way I teach is to go ahead and trade to the levels. The levels are more important than what a predetermined stop and profit target is. So I went ahead and put my, at first I put it right here on the balance, a little bit below it, and then I thought, you know, it may go ahead and go to the IB, so I put it up here, just right below it. And it started shooting up through here, and then once it got above here, I went ahead and put my stop on the balance, and then it pushed up again, so I went ahead and put it tighter just to capture some more profit. So I'm done for the day. Now this one trade was $1,820 just on one trade. So this trade right here, if we would have taken this short, this would have been another, actually more than 1820 for this one right here. So you can have a lot more trades than what we take, but you don't want to get greedy. And to look back on this, if we go ahead and look on this, some of these are, well, like that one was showing was a $430. This is a 310. We have a lot of different ones in here. And if you'd have turned it on, you would have been making money. There's some losers in there, but what we do is determine when to turn it on and off. And I teach how to do that, and it's not really hard. We don't, a lot of people ask me for like back-tested data. There's no way that you can back-test data, and the reason you can't is because we don't have a predetermined time that we turn it on. We don't run it from 9:30 to 11 every day. We just don't do it. What we do is we look at the market, at the current market, and we look back and make sure that it can trade. And if it can, and if it's winning trades, we turn the bot on. The probability is higher when you do that. If you just turn a bot on at 9:30 Eastern time for the open, you're not going to necessarily make money because it may be trading really bad at that time. Like today, it was trading bad today. So if we go back and look at this morning, you can see like during the open, it was trading bad. If we look back here, let's see, right along through here, this is bad trades. We don't want to trade in that, and that was in the open. We had a lot of bad trades here, so we don't turn it on. We just wait. Today was not the best day to trade, but with SpyBot Sweet Scalper, it actually ended up doing very well. Let's see here. So bring this down. It messed up on me. I don't know why it's doing that. Sometimes it does. But it's actually doing really well. We got our profit today. Yes, this would have been a great winning trade, and yes, I would have loved to have been in it and picked up an extra $1,800. That would have been great. But we never. Get your profit, be happy with what you're doing, hit your goals, and then call it a day. Live the trade another day. You don't have to trade every single day. If you are doing the Apex accounts, if you're on evaluation accounts, you need, or even non-evaluation accounts, you need to make at least one trade, even if it's on a micro, just to make a trade and get through that day that they count. So you definitely need to trade if you possibly can every day, just even if it's just to make or lose $5. Just make that trade. But as you can see, we have $17,320 total across 20 accounts. And in my opinion, that's the way to do it, is to trade multiple accounts, and that way you can make more with less trades. And that's the problem with most people, is they want to keep on trading and trading and trading all day, and they can't stop, and they end up usually losing money. So how do you get started on this? If you go to SpyMoneyLSC.com, and you can click this right here, or just click up here, and this will give you a breakdown on what the Ninja Suite comes with. And there's a little video here you can watch, and it talks a little bit about it. But what we do is we give you all the indicators on the website, and then plus there's a lot of other indicators we have that we use within the Ninja Suite. Probably the most ones we use is this Spy Money IB. We use the Spy Money Institution, and we have another one there called Spy Money Momentum that's not listed on here, but those are the three that we use a lot, and they usually do very well. And if we're manually scalping, we'll just throw on the Sweet Scalper, which is the bot that you just saw. Now we have two other bots in here, and I'm getting ready to add a third one. One is Institution. It works off of this one right here. Our entry is based on this, and it uses the momentum for our trend. It does a very good job. People were manually trading with it today. It does well. I actually showed a video on YouTube, and it gives you an idea of how it works. You cannot lease or buy those indicators individually. All of these only come with the Ninja Suite. The Ninja Suite cannot be purchased. You can't buy one bot or lease one bot. It's all one package or nothing. And with that, you also get some live trading occasionally. I don't do it often, but live trading. And we're going to do more of that here in the future. Been very busy, and it's hard for me to do that. Live training, we do almost daily. Live training is very, very good. And usually I end up taking, like if there's someone having a lot of questions for the day and there's several people, I will usually do a live training based on what they're having issues with. So it's not like we just have a schedule and that's when we do it. We try to do the live training on what people are having issues with and what was helping them. Now today in Discord, there was two people that I helped last week, and just to go over and get them to going better. And you know, one of them the next day, I think I was talking to him on Wednesday or Thursday, and he went from couldn't do it to now he's making over $1,000 a day. And I've got another person that just started, and I helped him out. And with him, I think he ended up making, let's see, actually he made one, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight, about $3,200 a day. And he has multiple accounts, so he did very well. So those are new people that have just started, and they're doing very well. In our Discord, we talk a lot in there. I help a lot of people. I give the charts, news, the call outs, the training, trades, just general talk if you have questions or whichever. If you're having issues with something, I'd redirect back to the video that we have on the back end of the website. Most every question you have is in those videos, and the more you stay the videos, the better you'll be. Come down through here, a few little things. And at the bottom, click here to lease the Ninja Suite. When you click that, it will open up the shopping cart. It's a secure shopping cart. No issues with credit cards on my site. Never had an issue. So get on there, get your lease started. If you don't have the money to put into your account to trade, you can do funded accounts. Now, funded accounts, we have two that have great discounts. If you click on this one, the Apex, this one's going to give you 80% off, and this one is 50% off. This one is 40% off now. So there's three discounts here, 80%, 50%, and 40%. Now the UProfit, the discount ends tonight at midnight. So the 50% on UProfit is over tonight. Then you have Apex, that one expires November the 2nd. And just use this coupon right here, and it goes right in for you. Once you click on the UProfit, the coupon is automatically attached to it, so you don't even have to put anything in. Apex, use this coupon, it'll get you right in there. If you have any questions on that, you're always welcome to ask me. And if you do have questions on the Ninja Suite or the funded accounts, you can contact me here. Put in your name, email, phone number, your message. If you want me to call you, put in your time zone and what is the best time to talk to you. And then I'll give you a call and see what we can do to help you. But if you have questions, that's how you get in touch with me. Again, just go to the Ninja or the SpyMoneyLSE.com. You can also type in the NinjaSuite.com and it'll come right to the website. So if it's easier for you to remember, you can do that as well. Again, we're going to close out by looking at this right here again. This is, look at that right there. That would have been a excellent trade. So our entry would have been here. And the bottom, which you wouldn't have got the bottom, there's $1,390 per contract. So that would have been a $2,400 trade if, well, actually have been, or a $2,800 trade right there if I had left the bot on and got it. I wish I would have. But don't get greedy. Get your money, hit your goals, and be done. I'm going to make about $1,000 a day on these, give or take. And I'd like to at least make 500 a day, but I'd like to get, I think, 1,000 a day on them. I'm only trading 2 contracts. If I was trading more contracts, then I'd have more money. If I was trading 4, these would be double the amounts. 2 contracts is plenty. It makes a lot of money. There's $17,000 right there. $17,000 in a day, and trading. I didn't start trading until I think it was maybe 11 o'clock or so. So it's about an hour or so of trading. I don't remember where I started in here, but it was about an hour or so of trading today. And we're up across all 20 accounts, $17,320. Less a couple commissions. The commissions aren't very much. But if you have questions, let me know. Be more than happy to help you and get you started today. Have a great day.